What is difference between final, finally and finalize keyword in Java? In Java universe, final keyword is like a superhero with unbreakable shield. It is used to stop modifications of variables, functions and classes. This means that if we use it with a variable, then Java will treat that variable as a constant and it will not allow us to modify its value in future. If we use it with a class, then Java will not allow us to create child class of that class, meaning it will stop inheritance. If we use it with a method, then it will not allow child class to override that method, meaning it will stop method overriding. So final keyword is like a superhero with a shield that stops all kind of modification to the variables, classes and functions. Next is finally keyword. It is like a good friend who will never leave you, no matter how many exception comes in your way. The finally keyword is part of Java exception handling and it is used to write the statement that you want to get executed at all the cost. This means that code written in finally block will get executed even if some exception comes in the program. So it's like a best friend who will never leave you, no matter how many exception comes in your way. Next is finalize keyword. It's like a cleaning lady. When we have too much garbage in our home, we will call this lady, she will collect the garbage and clean our home. Similarly, in Java, when an object is no longer needed, Java's garbage collector calls the finalize method to clean the resources. So similar to cleaning lady, the finalize method will clean up the unused object in our program. That's it for today's video. See you in next video.